Hey everybody, hadn't done a video in a while. We've really been taking our time on some stuff, working a little Suzuki TM75 project, getting things ready for another KZ650 project that's coming up. You know how we like the KZ650s around here. So we've got another one of those coming, but for right now we're rebuilding this mid-70s Suzuki TM75 for a friend. It's pretty much a full restoration on it. Not cutting any corners, so it's very time consuming. Check it out. So there's a frame, stripped it all down. Oil tank on it was good. We cleaned it up. We put a new sight glass in it. Was missing the mount strap. Rebuilt the triple tree, cleaned the bearings up, repacked them, all that kind of stuff. So frame and everything is looking good. Tank, man, we have been back and forth and back and forth. The tank is a little, you can see that right there. It's just trying to fill in one little spot on the tank and then reprime it and pin down the exact yellow color we're going with. Got the right hand crankcase cover off right now. Checked the clutch out, cleaned the carb up. Didn't even need a rebuild kit, just needed a little cleanup. Waiting on the gasket to come in on that. We're going to clean all that up, prime it, paint it, all that. Other side, haven't got to it yet, but we're going to clean all that up. Here's a bunch of the other parts, getting ready to prime this front fender and the rear fender. We've got them taped up on the inside, cleaned up, ready to go. That's the front engine mount. Got it primed and painted, but making some good progress. So thanks for checking in. That's what we've got going. And like I said, we got another KZ650 coming up. We got our previous Honda build coming in for carburetors. Unfortunately, the owner has had to travel a lot and hasn't been able to ride it as much, and it's got a little bit of a hanging idle, so we're going to pull those carbs and just service it up for him, get it ready to go for the spring, and hopefully get a few more miles on it this year. And that's what we got going right now.